Hi children, today I am going to start lesson number 13, that is transport. In olden times people used to go one place to another place on foot. It was not easy for them to travel long distance. Animals like donkeys, mules, camels they were used to carry loads. After the invention of wheel, the people have started using different types of vehicles like bullock cart, and tangas. Movement of the people and goods become easier. Today we all go from one place to another place by using different vehicles like car, scooter, bus, aeroplane, train, etc. These vehicles are known as means of transport. Let's learn about transport. In transport we can see three types of transport. One is land transport, water transport and air transport. First one is land transport. The vehicles that run on the land are called land transport. See, look at the picture. We can see many pictures here. The vehicles picture. Here one is a car, truck, scooter, car, bus, bicycle, bike, auto rickshaw. These are all land transport. When we travel within a city, we use vehicles like scooter, car, auto rickshaw, bicycles and buses. When we want to travel long distance like this one state to another state or one country to another country, we use buses, trains or aeroplanes. Trains are carry heavy large number of people, so and goods also it will carry. Now in some cities people also travel by metro trains. The people reach their distance in shortest time. People living in villages, they use tongas, bullock carts and tractors to travel. See, look at the picture. This picture bullock cart. This is called bullock cart. So in the village people they used to use this bullock cart to travel one place to another place, and also they will use tractor. And next one, animals as a transport. We use animals also as a transport. See, this is camel. Camel in desert places, the people will use this camel to carry heavy load one place to another place. So that is the reason we will call camel is a ship of desert. So, and mules. We also use mules to this picture. This is moose. These animals also the people will use for but as a transport to carry loads. The next one is water transport. Water transport, people use ship, steamers and boats when they have to cross rivers or seas. Ships are also used to carry a large number of people and goods from one country to another. They are cheap of traveling longer distance but take lot of time. See, look at this. This is steamer and this is ship and boat. These are all example for water transport. Next one, air transport. What is the meaning of air transport? The aeroplanes and helicopters are the means of air transport. Aeroplane help us in reaching far off place in shorter time, but they are little expensive and cannot be used by all. The helicopter and aeroplane, these are all examples for air transport. Next, communication. Communication means sharing information or feelings or ideas with someone. This is called communication. We keep in touch with our friends and relatives through different means of communications. Earlier we used to use this letter, postcard, email, fax and telephone, but nowadays we are using for everything. We used to use mobile phones. Earlier, the people used to use pigeon to share the information one place to another place. See, nowadays we can see different means of communications. We buy postcards, stamps and inland letter from the post office. We post our letters in letter box. We also send email using computer. By this computer we can send emails, and we use fax machine for sending an important paper to someone to far off places. And telephone also one of the different means of communication. Through the telephone we can share our information, feelings or ideas with our relatives and with our friends. And next, the mobile dial. And mobile also one of the different means of communication. Nowadays we are all using, we are all depending on the phone itself, mobile phone itself. We are not going to use any computers or fax or telephones, right? Nowadays we are all depending on mobile phone. Through the mobile phone we can do everything. Now we can share our information, feelings and ideas with our relatives and with our friends. This is radio. The earlier the people used to listen this radio, and they are getting information from the radio news on earlier, but nowadays we are not doing that. And also this television also one of the different means of communication. Through this we can get information about the society. So okay, I hope all are understood the lesson. Thank you. Okay, all of you understood. I hope all of you understood the lesson. Thank you.